Ready to level up your Pokémon Go game without constantly staring at your phone? Let's get your Pokémon Go Plus connected and catching those Pokémon for you. First, make sure you have a working Pokémon Go Plus device with a charged battery if it's new. Pull the plastic tab to activate the battery. Now, open the Pokémon Go app on your smartphone. Tap the main menu button at the bottom that's the one that looks like a Pokémon ball. Next, go to Settings, which is usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down until you find Pokémon Go Plus. Tap it. The app will now start searching for your Pokémon Go Plus. Press the button on your Pokémon Go Plus. It should light up blue and become visible in the app. Once your Pokémon Go Plus appears under Available Devices, tap its name to pair it with your phone. A pairing request may pop up on your phone, so accept it. Congratulations! Your Pokémon Go Plus is now connected. You can customize notifications for nearby Pokémon and Pokémon stops within the app. Having trouble connecting? Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone and that your Pokémon Go Plus isn't already connected to another device. Try restarting your phone and the app. Now you're all set. Go out there, explore, and let your Pokémon Go Plus do the work. Happy catching!